Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Today guys, if you have a Toyota Sienna 2000, 2011 to 2015 model and you have the one with the GPS, okay, right here, we'll show you guys how to reset the maintenance on it, how to reset oil filter replacement, oil change and all that stuff. So what you need to do guys, you will need to click setup right here. On setup, after that you need to click on vehicle, maintenance, and you can go to the engine oil. You can see engine oil, filter, tire rotation, new tires, batteries, all that stuff. So what you need to do now, you go to engine oil, okay, like that, and today we did an oil change. So as of right now, today is the 12th, so we're going to add a new date on it. Okay, we're going to add 10/12/2017. We confirm. Okay, and now the mileage. Okay, so oil change distance. So we usually drive out about 8,000 miles to 10,000 on full synthetic, but we usually set it at 8,000 miles. Okay, like that. You confirm. Okay, and next, oil filter. We replace the oil filter today as well. So we will put today's date here, confirm, and distance again at 8,000 miles. Even though it's a 20,000 mile oil filter, you can check the video on the oil change we did, confirm, and that's it guys. You can see all that is good now, and everything else you see air filter, we need to change the air filter next. It hasn't been changed, it says that, and the vehicle has 37,000 miles. So just a quick video guys. Thank you for watching, hopefully the video was helpful, and see you guys next time.